everyone, and welcome to Tesla. We are teens exploring science with a live audience. We are named after Nikola Tesla, a scientist that helped us get a better understanding of electricity. This is a giant Tesla coil that's on display at the Museum of Science and Industry.
And we are the science achievers from the Community Initiatives team here at the Museum of Science and Industry. This is a science education show. We meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m.
This season of Tesla, we will be featuring sweet treats we wouldn't want to live without, and the science behind these sweet treats.
Science? What kind of science?
Chemistry, a science that deals with the properties and structure of matter, and the changes that it goes through. So, welcome to Sweet Science!
Oh, I like the sound of that. Sweet science. So you're saying that we're going to be talking about making sweet treats this entire season of Tesla?
Exactly. We will be discussing the chemistry behind these sweet treats. We can also call sweet treats confections.
Confections. Confections is a new word I haven't heard of.
Well, it's basically just a fancy way of saying food items that are rich in sugar.
Oh, confections, like cookies.
Yes, cookies.
Cakes?
Yes, cakes.
And candies.
Definitely candy. My favorite.
Oh, yum. I love food, but I love confections even more. I have a favorite confection. Want to guess what it is?
Sure.
So, it can fit in the palm of your hand. It's soft. And it smells really good, too.
Okay. Fits in the palm of your hand. It's soft. It smells good. Is it a bread muffin? Muffins are soft, they smell really good, and they can totally fit in the palm of your hand.
I see what you're saying, but not quite. We don't consider bread muffins a sweet treat.
Okay.
I think you could use a few more hints.
Yeah, probably. Go for it.
So, my favorite sweet treat was originally baked in cups made of heavy pottery, but now we bake them in a small paper or aluminum foil cup placed in a muffin tin.
Fits in the palm of your hand. It's soft, it smells good, and it was originally baked in cups. Cupcake!
Yes!
Your favorite confection is a cupcake!
Yeah, you're right. Great job.
Awesome!
The reason why I love cupcakes so much is because there's so many different kinds.
You're right, there are. Guess what?
What?
My favorite confection can actually make cupcakes look and taste even better. I am a cupcake baker, and this is definitely my favorite part of the cupcake.
Okay, so they make cupcakes look and taste better. What can do that? Oh, I know. Your favorite has to be the icing.
You're right. Can we talk about both of our sweet treats this episode of Tesla?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Also, did you happen to bring a cupcake to show our viewers?
I sure did.
Yes.
And here it is.
Wow. Look at that beauty.
I love the cream cheese on top.
Definitely.
And
beautiful icing.
you can even see the nice red color here.
Oh, wow.
Looks moist.
Yeah, soft too, and it smells so good. Wow. What
do you think of that red color?
Yeah, it's super red. What is that? What kind of flavor would that be?
Well, it's actually a red velvet cupcake.
Oh, of course, red velvet, my favorite.
Get out of here. It's my favorite too.
Awesome.
Wow.
And look at that icing, so creamy looking. And do you want to taste it?
I think we should.
I agree.
Oh.
So good.
Yeah.
Delicious.
It just melts in your mouth.
Wow. Did you bake this cupcake?
I sure did.
Wow, what ingredients did you use to make it?
Well, we will find out after the break.
Hey, welcome back. My name's Jennifer.
Hi, I'm Alex. Jennifer, I see you have one of those really awesome hats that I see everybody wearing all the time, and I was wondering, you wouldn't happen to have an extra one maybe for me?
All right, well, let me check for you, Alex. You are in luck. Look what I found.
Jennifer, No way. This is in my second favorite color.
Okay.
This is amazing.
Let's see how it looks.
Oh, wow.
Okay, you know what this means, right?
No. What does it mean,
It
Jennabelle?
means you are officially a confectioner.
A confectioner.
Yes.
Really, a confectioner.
Yes.
Like somebody who makes sweet treats.
Yes.
That's amazing, Jennabelle. But I'm curious, now that we're confectioners, what kind of sweet treat are we going to make today?
Okay, so the sweet treat we're going to make today is the delicious cupcake.
That's amazing, Jennabelle. I'm excited. But what kind of ingredients are we going to need to make our delicious cupcakes?
Well, we need ingredients that will combine to make a mixture.
A mixture. I kind of like lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. But what exactly is a mixture? I can't remember.
So a mixture is a combination of two or more variable amounts of two different substances. Now, in our case, let's take a look. Our substances or ingredients are eggs, flour, butter, and sugar.
Those look really good, Jennabelle. Let me see if I'm right about this. Flour, right? It's used to bind ingredients together and support the cupcake batter, right?
Exactly, Alex. And I
Yes.
have an idea about sugar.
What's your idea?
The sugar will add the sweetness to the cupcakes.
Yeah, that's exactly right. But do you know another ingredient that we have here that's going to add a lot of flavor to the cupcake?
I don't know.
We have butter. And you know what they say about butter, right?
What do they say about butter, Alex?
Butter makes everything taste better. What butter will help us do is it will make the cupcake batter maintain its yummy flavor and make the cupcake moist. But I'm a little bit confused, Jennabelle, about one of our ingredients, eggs. I'm not sure what we're supposed to use eggs for.
Well, the heat from the oven turns the liquid in the eggs into steam that gets trapped into the cupcake batter, which causes the cupcake to rise or puff up.
Wow, that's really interesting. Well, now that we have all our ingredients, we need a large bowl to put all the our batter in.
Okay.
Wow,
good.
look at that. I can just eat that up right now. It's kind of like a red pudding, and I see that there's no parts where it's different.
Yeah, that means it's homogeneous.
Yeah, that's right. It's because it's the same throughout, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
How about, well, now we gotta put our cupcakes and separate them in a baking tin.
Okay. That looks really good.
Yeah, it does. Look, the cupcakes are in these little tiny paper cups. That's gonna help us remove the cupcakes from the metal baking tin. Because you know what happens when you just leave them in the tin without the cups, right?
I don't know what happens.
It's a huge mess. It's horrible. The cupcake is just everywhere and just doesn't look good enough to eat.
Well, I'll take your word for it, but I know that it also serves as a protective covering that makes it easy to separate from the cupcake.
That's right.
All right, so now let's take a look at our cupcake batter after 25 minutes of baking in the oven. Okay.
Wow, look at that, Jennabelle.
It looks delicious.
Yeah. Let's take a look at it from the inside. Cutting that in half.
All right, let's take a piece. Taste it.
Yeah, let's try it. Did you know cupcakes come in many different flavors?
I didn't know that.
Well, let's try this one. And this one is my favorite, the red velvet cupcake.
Delicious.
Let's take a closer look at this cupcake.
All right.
Look at that.
Yeah, it looks the same. It's red all over. It is very soft to the touch.
Yeah. Let's try this. You know what our cupcake is missing, Jennabelle?
What do you think is missing?
It's missing icing.
Oh, okay.
And we'll come back with icing right after this break.
And welcome back to Tesla, guys. My name is Mike.
And I'm Maddie.
And Maddie, can you tell me what comes to your mind when you hear the word icing?
Generally the sweet, creamy topping that you see on cakes, donuts, cinnamon buns. Yeah, that kind of thing.
That was absolutely right. So,
good.
since one of our topics today is icings, I actually brought along some photos of ingredients that we use to make icing. So, should we take a look at those?
Of course.
All right.
All right. Some of the ingredients to use to make icings are butter, egg whites, cream cheese, vanilla extract. Looks kind of like tea, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
And strawberry jelly, which looks like juice, and you can tell I want a drink right now.
All right. So, Maddie, just a quick question. Why do we use the egg whites but not the egg yolks?
Oh, the answer to that is the egg whites help make the icing nice, light, and fluffy.
All right, that makes a lot of sense. And I know the reason that we use like our cream cheese, our vanilla extract, and our strawberry jelly is to provide, flavorings and textures to our icings.
Exactly.
All right, so Maddie, I actually have a surprise for you.
What is it?
So, you are in for a really sweet treat this week because I happen to bring along 4 types of buttercream icings.
I'm sorry, but I have no idea what a buttercream icing is.
That's completely fine, Maddie. So, a buttercream icing is a rich and or thick icing made with butter, of course, along with powdered sugar, milk, and then your types of, your favorite type of flavoring. So, like we use strawberry jelly for one of them.
Oh, okay.
All right, so
All right, let's take a look.
let's take a look at these. Ugh. All right, so here we have our 4 types of icings.
Okie dokie. Wow, they look so delicious.
Yeah, and using our other observational skills, we can actually kind of smell them. We can detect the smells. So I detect some lemon, as well as a little bit of chocolate, some vanilla, and definitely some strawberry.
I'm going to ask the most important question. Can we eat them?
Maddie, I thought you would never ask. So remember, our icing provides a little extra flavor for our cupcakes.
Okay.
So I think it's safe to assume that this brown one here, and then this pinkish looking one, that this one's chocolate, our brown looking one is chocolate, and then this pinkish looking one is probably our strawberry, but I think it'd be safe to test.
Okay, okay. I'm
All right.
with you on that.
So here's your strawberry, and then I'll take the chocolate. We have some
Taking a
spoons
spoon.
here.
Alrighty.
Alright. So,
Okay,
after
so-
you.
Alright.
Yep,
Tastes
that's
pretty good.
definitely that's definitely chocolate.
This is definitely a strawberry.
Okay.
Though it looks like oatmeal.
Alright, and then we have 2 extra frostings here, though.
Yep. Okie dokie.
Alright, so.
Alright, which one do you want to try?
Since they're both relatively similar in color, they both look pretty white. I think it doesn't really matter. I'll take this one.
Okay. I'll take this one right here.
Okay. So let's give these 2 a taste.
These are the best.
Alright, well, this one here is it's pretty lemony, so ooh, I'm going to assume that one is our lemon icing.
Okay. There's no doubt that this thick, creamy icing here is cream cheese.
Alright, so we got that figured out.
Oh, thank you very much for this taste test. All these icings were wonderful. Hey, quick question. Aren't these supposed to go on our cupcakes?
Yeah, and you know what? We'll put those on our cupcakes after this short break.
Okie dokie. I'll see you guys then. Alrighty. There. See how that fits. You have to be closer.
Hello and welcome back to Tesla. My name is Corey.
And I'm Sarah. So Corey, our delicious cupcakes are finally ready.
Wait, hold on. Sarah, you're telling me that they're ready?
Yes, I'm not just saying they're ready. They are like ready.
Okay, then I think it's safe to say we can take a look at them.
I think you are totally right, Corey.
All right, let's do it. All right.
Oh my gosh, these look amazing. They're even better up close, right?
Yeah.
So these just look so amazing.
They smell.
And they smell even better.
I'm going insane.
Yep. So you know what? We should celebrate.
And what are we exactly celebrating?
Well, we should celebrate all the cool things we learned about making confections.
Aha! A confection is a food item that is rich in sugar. Today we have 2 confections, our delicious cupcakes and icing.
Yep, and today I learned that the cupcake got its name because it was originally baked in a cup made of heavy pottery.
I mean, it's great and all, Sarah, but today I learned cupcakes are baked in paper or aluminum foil that is placed in a muffin tin.
But did you know that we use that paper or aluminum foil cup liner to make it easier to remove the cupcake from the baking tin and protect it from crumbling and falling apart? 'Cause crumbly cupcakes, not fun.
Right, I mean, sure, but I mean, I also learned that icing can be added as a topping to make our cupcakes even more tastier.
See, I see what you're doing there. You're trying to top my facts, but get this. I'm going to top yours.
Okay.
So that icing that we put on the top of your cupcake can be dyed with food coloring, and you can have icing that's like a rainbow of colors.
Well,
Top that, Corey.
okay then. Well, we have 8 delicious cupcakes that we are going to be sharing with our cast members.
Cool. So, out of our 8 cupcakes, what fraction are strawberry?
Well, let's remember, Sarah, that a fraction is a part of a whole.
Thank you. I had totally forgotten what a fraction was. So, if fractions are parts of wholes, we need to count how many parts we have. And since we already know the whole is 8, we don't need to count that.
Right.
So we're talking about strawberry ones,
Strawberry
right?
cupcakes.
So let's count.
1, 2, 3.
So that would be 3 out of 8. So that's 3/8.
Right, so 3 of our cast members will receive and enjoy strawberry icing cupcakes.
Yum. But what about that lemon icing ones? That sounded really good. What fraction are lemon?
Well, first, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lemon icing cupcakes out of 8 total cupcakes.
4 out of 8. 4 out of 8. Oh, it's 4/8.
Right, so 4 of our cast members will enjoy lemon icing cupcakes. But, Sarah, what fraction of our cupcakes are chocolate?
Well, we have to count the parts first.
Right.
So let's count the chocolate parts.
1.
That was easy. So there's 8 cupcakes, so that's 1 out of 8. So that's going to be 1/8. So only 1 of our cast members will get to enjoy the chocolate icing cupcake.
And you are certainly correct, Sarah. But guess what?
What?
It is that time of our segment.
What's that time?
We get to taste our delicious cupcakes.
Are you for real?
I'm for real.
Yes.
So let's do it. All right.
Bon appetit.
appetit.
Gotta get that paper lining. All that frosting.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
This is scrumptious.
It is. It's like my mouth died and went to heaven. It's so good.
Well, Sarah, now that we safely tested our cupcakes, we get to share the rest of them with our cast members. We are Tesla from MSI, a science education show every Wednesday at 5 p.m.
We'll see you guys next week with more exciting
Sweet Science!